Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to install the 1.6.2 mods, including all three Hud mods, Raise Minimap, and Optifine. So first, make sure you download the Optifine version you want. I'm going to use the standard one because it works best for most computers. You're going to also download the three Hud mods, Raise Minimap, and BSP KRS Core, which is a dependency for the Hud mods. The link will be in the description for all of those. We're going to use Minecraft Forge as our mod loader, and there's going to be this text in the description. You're going to need to copy it because we're going to need to paste it in somewhere later. The first thing you're going to do is open up your .minecraft file and delete everything inside except for your screenshots folder if you want to save your screenshots. We're going to start with a clean installation of Minecraft. Now, after that, we're going to run our Minecraft launcher and log in from scratch. So we generate a brand new Minecraft folder to mess with to install the mods. That way we know we don't got anything wrong. So I'm going to pause the video and start it again after I log in and generate the files. After you log in, you're going to want to make sure you hit play and get into the actual game, because that's how you generate all the files. Just logging into the launcher isn't good enough. So after the launcher starts your Minecraft and you load all the way in, your Minecraft downloads the recommended files and you start with a fresh copy. So now that we have our fresh copy of our Minecraft, we can open our .minecraft up again and we have a brand new fresh copy. So we're going to now run the Forge installer. We're going to open the Forge installer.jar with the Java platform SE binary. That's going to run the installer. We're going to install the client version, and we're going to make sure this file path is going to our .minecraft folder, and then we're going to hit OK. And we've just installed the Forge profile. Now when we start our .minecraft, or our launcher, I mean, we're going to have a new profile to choose from. It's going to be the Forge profile. We're going to make sure we select the Forge profile, and it's going to prompt you to skip authentication. You're going to hit play, and then we're going to hit play again. So after you hit play again, your Minecraft's going to boot up, and it's going to take some time because it's generating the Forge folder and it's generating the mods folder in your Minecraft. Whoops, I did not mean to open full screen mode. So after it's open, you're going to see you have Forge, 3 mods loaded. Those 3 mods are the parts of Forge that are there to make your other mods work. So after that is done, we're going to exit out of our Minecraft, open up our .minecraft folder, and you're going to see that you now have a newly generated mods folder. We're going to ignore that for now, and we're going to go into the libraries folder, go into the net folder, and we're going to create a new folder in the net folder called Optifine, in lowercase. We're going to open it up, and inside of this Optifine folder, we're going to create another Optifine folder. It may seem tedious, but if you don't do it this way, it won't work. So then we're going to open up the second Optifine folder, and we're going to create a folder that is titled the same as the version of your Optifine, which in my case is 1.6.2 _HD _B4. You want it to make sure it's the same as your version, so if you have the Ultra version, there'll be a U in there. You're going to want to make sure to include that. Next, we're going to open this up, and we're going to rename our Optifine folder. We're going to take away the zip extension and change it to a jar. And then we're going to change one more thing. The underscore after Optifine, we're going to change that to a dash. and then we're going to drag it in to the folder we just created. Now we're going to go all the way back to our .minecraft folder. We're going to navigate into the versions file, and we're going to navigate into the 1.6.2 forge file. From there, we're going to edit the 1.6.2 forge JSON file with Notepad or Notepad++. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to take the text I put in the description. You're going to copy all of it exactly how it is, and you're going to paste it right here on this bracket. After you paste it, you're going to save the file and exit. Then you can exit your .minecraft folder as well. Now you're going to run the launcher again. You're going to open it up, and for this part I recommend editing the profile and choosing this option, launcher visibility, and setting it to keep the launcher open. That way if you get an error, the launcher stays open and you can read the error you get, and that error will help you figure out if you did something wrong when you named the file. Now, I forgot to mention that the part that you're copying and pasting in, you should also make sure that this is the same version as your Optifine as well. Not just the folder name in the net, but this as well. I forgot to mention that after you edit the profile and change the launcher visibility to keep the launcher open, you're going to want to click this box here, JVM arguments. You're going to want to click right behind this, put a space, and copy and paste this in. This is to ignore patch discrepancies in your Minecraft. So you're going to save that, and I'm going to add that to the text file, or to the text in the description. And you're going to make sure you have that, because if you don't, it won't work. So then you're going to run your Minecraft and let Forge go ahead and do its thing and download your Optifine files into your jar for you. So after you've run your Minecraft now, you're going to see that your Forge is also going to say Optifine. Now you have Optifine. And if you look in your mods folder, you'll see that Optifine is now also loaded. So you're pretty far into it, and the rest is child's play. So you're going to exit your Minecraft, and you're going to exit the launcher, which stayed open. I've already exited the launcher. You're going to open up your .minecraft folder, and you're going to open up your mods folder, where you put your mods in your desktop, and you're going to open up the mods folder in your .minecraft. You're just going to go ahead and drag all of these over, and close, and then start your Minecraft again. When you start your Minecraft again, this time you'll have all your mods, and it makes it real easy. And to move the position of your armor status and whatnot, you do it the same as you did before. You're going to go into the config file and just change the settings in there, but you should already know how to do that if you've done it before. So you're going to hit play, and you're going to let the launcher load in. I'm going to minimize it so we don't see my session token and whatnot. And it's going to take a little bit longer to start this time, because it's loading in all 5 of those new mods we just added. So just give it a minute. And there we go. It just takes a second to load in the mods. But once it opens up, you'll now have your Optifine, your Hud Mods, your raised minimap, and they'll all be working perfectly together. Sometimes it'll say not responding just because it takes a little bit longer to start up. See, now we have 8 mods loaded. Click on mods. You're going to see Optifine, the 3 Forge mods, and we're going to see the 3 HUD mods, Raise Minimap, and the BSK PRS core. So we're going to click done, and we're going to, let's just go to Blizzardcraft to check it out. Well, maybe Blizzardcraft is no, I think I logged out at spawn. I didn't want my coordinates to show on my minimap, but I think I'll be alright. And I logged out in the war zone at spawn. So now we have our armor status. You can see in the bottom left. You can move the position of that fairly easy. We have our potion effect status, which displays in the middle right. You can change that to the top left, which is where I usually put it. I usually put my armor status in the bottom right. We have our raise minimap in the top right, and our direction HUD at the top middle. And we also have our Optifine settings working perfectly. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you need help with anything, feel free to leave a comment and I'll definitely respond to it and help you out right away. Just post the error in the comment that you get from the launcher. Just post it in the comments, or send it to me in a private message and I'll help you out with it. Aside from that, if I helped you out, shoot me a subscription and a like on the video, and that'd be awesome. Alright, thanks.